the arrangement of real numbers or complex numbers in rows and columns, either in square shape or a rectangular shape, is called matrix. The definition of matrix is the arrangement of real numbers or complex numbers in rows and columns in square shape or rectangular shape. What is the meaning of square shape? This is 2 by 2 matrix. Rectangular shape, 2 rows and 3 columns. This is called matrix. Got it, Yashovardhan?
Yes, sir.
What is what is order of the matrix? Order of the matrix means here, if a matrix having m rows and n columns, then the order of the matrix is m by n. Try to understand. What is matrix? Order of the matrix. Then we can go with the types of matrices. Types of matrices. Can you tell me how many types of matrices are there? The first one, square matrix. What is square matrix? If in a matrix, there are equal number of rows and columns. There are 3 rows and 3 columns. See, square matrix definition is, if in a matrix there are equal number of rows and columns, that matrix is known as square matrix. Do you want to copy or shall I continue?
One second, sir. Continue, sir.
Done, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Here, square matrix is over. Rectangular matrix. What is rectangular matrix? Rectangular matrix means if in a matrix, unequal number of rows and columns, A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. See this. Number of rows are 2, number of columns are 3. This is rectangular matrix. Third one, a row matrix. What is row matrix? Row matrix means if in a matrix, there is only one row, many columns. If in a matrix, there is only one row, but many columns, that is called row matrix. Column matrix. You know what is column matrix? If in a matrix, there is only one column and many rows. See, there is only one column and many rows. 4 by 1, this matrix order. This is 1 by 4. Because one row, 4 columns. Here, 4 rows, 1 column. Null matrix. What is null matrix? If in a matrix, all the elements are zeros. Or even this is also null matrix. All the elements are zeros. That matrix is known as null matrix. Please copy this. Done ma? Null matrix is over. Diagonal matrix.
Sir,
Ah,
sir, once can you click the undo button before this? If you wrote anything before these four.
before this 4 you want.
Yes, sir.
Before this 4 means I need to erase everything.
Yes, sir. Please can you?
Just a definition of matrix given. Pranav,
Oh, sure.
okay?
I'll write it down.
Yeah.
So once can you tell the definition?
Definition you understood. The arrangement of real or complex numbers
Real or complex numbers.
complex numbers in rows and columns. In rows and columns,
Yes, sir.
either in square shape or rectangular shape.
Yes, sir.
Rectangular shape is called rectangular shape is called either square shape or rectangular shape is called matrix.
Yes, sir. Answer.
Next, we can go with the diagonal matrix. Please write down. First of all, principal diagonal. I want to explain you. What is principal diagonal? Please write down. What is principal diagonal? Matrix A is equal A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. You please see this. This is the given square matrix. Here, what is principal diagonal means? Are you able to understand, Yashovardhan?
Yes, sir.
This is principal diagonal. Principal diagonal means here the line joining of first element and the last element. This is called principal diagonal. So this is, please write down principal diagonal. Just note down the diagram. Diagonal matrix next. What is diagonal? Diagonal matrix. Except principal diagonal. Except except principal diagonal, remaining elements are zeros. That matrix is known as diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix means except principal diagonal, remaining all elements are zeros. That matrix is known as diagonal matrix. After diagonal matrix, everybody got it? Diagonal matrix, principal diagonal. Done, ma? Identity matrix. What is identity matrix? Can you tell me? Identity matrix denoted by like this. In a diagonal matrix, all principal diagonal elements equal to 1. See, this is identity matrix, or the other name unit matrix. Identity matrix or unit matrix. And this is also called I2, 1001. This is also denoted by I. Identity matrix or unit matrix. Scalar matrix, you know. What is scalar matrix? Scalar matrix means all principal diagonal elements equal to a constant number. See, all these principal diagonal elements equal to a constant number. That matrix is known as scalar matrix. That matrix is known as scalar matrix. Clear?
Sir, could you repeat the definition of scalar matrix, sir?
Scalar matrix, please write down. In a diagonal matrix, all principal diagonal elements equal to a constant number. All diagonal matrix, all diagonal elements in a diagonal matrix, all principal diagonal elements equal to same number. Then that matrix is known as scalar matrix. Everybody got it?
Yes, sir.
Shall I clear the screen? Here, next, transpose matrix. What is transpose matrix? For example, I am taking A equal to A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. The matrix A is equal to A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. A transpose, or this is also denoted by A dash. What is A dash? A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. This matrix is 2 by 3 matrix. This is 3 by 2 matrix. Transpose means rows change to column or column change to rows. Any one. Both we cannot do. Please write down. Transpose matrix means the rows change to column or column change to rows. Sir, namaskaram, sir. Yes, ma. You got it, ma? So transpose matrix, the rows change to column or column change to rows. That matrix is known as transpose matrix. Properties of transpose: A plus B whole transpose, A transpose plus B transpose, A minus B whole transpose, A transpose minus B transpose, A transpose whole transpose equal to A. Please copy this. Symmetric matrix next. Very important. Symmetric matrix. What is symmetric matrix? Do you have any idea symmetric matrix? Symmetric matrix means, suppose I am taking matrix AHG, HBF, GFC. This is matrix AHG, HBF, GFC. A transpose equal to A. Find A transpose. Can you find A transpose of this?
AHG,
HG,
HBF,
HBF,
CSC.
no change. So if there is a matrix, if you do transpose, again you are getting the same thing. That matrix is known as symmetric matrix. Please write down. A is a square matrix such that A is a square matrix such that A transpose equal to A. A transpose equal to A. That matrix is known as that matrix is known as symmetric matrix. Next. Skew symmetric matrix next.
Once finish your sir.
Skew, Pranav.
Yes, sir. Sir, you didn't allow me, sir. Sorry.
Why you disconnected, Pranav? I didn't see actually.
Sir, it got locked, sir. System got locked, sir.
Locked out. Okay, okay. 1 second, 1 second. You see this once again, I will teach this before one. I am saving screenshot for you only. 0 minus H minus G, H0 minus F, G of 0. See this skew symmetric matrix. Pranav. What is Q symmetric matrix? Yashovardhan. Yashovardhan.
Yes.
What is the transpose of this matrix? Can you tell me? Find the transpose. 0.
So 0 minus H minus G, H 0 minus F, G F 0.
So take minus common. Equal to minus A. So the definition A transpose equal to minus A. That matrix is known as skew symmetric matrix. That matrix is known as skew symmetric matrix. A transpose equal to minus A. That matrix is known as skew symmetric matrix.
So now can you show
Huh?
before this?
Before one. This is symmetric matrix, Pranav. AHG, HBF, GFC. A transpose is rows change to column or column change to rows. A transpose equal to A. You got it?
Sure.
Pranav.
Yes, sir.
Next. Suppose.
For this also do something.
Huh? What I am telling.
Sir, no, sir. Can you show the one before this also?
Yeah. This one only.
No, sir. Second page.
This one.
Yes, sir. Okay. Okay, sir. I wrote this one, sir. Okay.
Now, suppose what I am doing, what the question they will ask in 12th standard, very important question. For Yashovardhan, for you especially. Express A as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Please write down. Express matrix A as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. That means matrix A given. A is a square matrix. First, you need to understand what is symmetric matrix. How to find symmetric matrix. To find symmetric matrix, the formula is A plus A transpose by 2. What is the formula to find skew symmetric matrix? What is the formula to find skew symmetric matrix? A minus A transpose by 2. Therefore, A is equal to A plus A transpose by 2 plus A minus A transpose by 2. Can you see both? Add this, what you will get? LCM 2, na? A transpose cancel. How much is this equation valid or not? Yes, guys.
Yes, sir.
valid.
Please write down. Very, very important statement. Express A as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Done, ma?
Yes.
Done, ma? Here, express one example I am taking. Express A sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Express A as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. That is the question. Find A transpose here. 2, 3, 7, 9. Find A plus A transpose here. What you will get? Add these two. 4, 10, 10, 18. A plus A transpose by 2. Divide by 2. 2, 5. This is symmetric matrix. Find A minus A transpose here. What you will get? Subtract 0, minus 4, 4, 0. A minus A transpose by 2. Divide by 2. Total values divide by 2. 0 by something 0, minus 2. So what we can understand is matrix A is equal A plus A transpose by 2 plus A minus A transpose by 2. What is A plus A transpose by 2? 2, 5, 5, 9. What is A minus A transpose by 2? 0 minus 2, 2, 0. Copy this. I कितना? Maybe everybody understood, I feel. Next, I want to teach you what is minor. What is minor? You see this? Minor means A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. What is minor of A1? A1 present, see, A1 is here. For this, you are finding the minor. What we have to do, we need to remove the row and column passes through that element. Take the remaining elements. What are the remaining elements? What are the remaining elements? B2, B3. Just take determinant of this. Multiply B2, C3 minus B3, C2. This is called minor of the element. Once again, I will explain. To find minor of a particular element, we need to remove the row and column passes through that element. Take the determinant for the remaining elements. B2, B3, C2, C3. Cross multiplication. B2, C3 minus B3, C2. What is minor of A2? Can you tell me? What is minor of A2?
B1 C3
B1 B. Yes.
B1 C3 minus B2 C1. I mean B3 C1.
B1
B1 C3 minus
B1 C3 minus
B3 C1.
C1 B3 C3. B1 C3 minus.
B3 C1.
Very good, ma. Very good. Copy this, please.
Sir, should we join after the meeting ends?
Yeah, Yashovardhan, shall I continue the class?
Yeah, sure. Yes, sir.
Okay, done. Please rejoin.